Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I do believe this is part 5 of the Great Wall of Taiwan, which I have referred it to. And I was going to make the film a bit further down, but I just wanted to show this marvellous construction. You know, I could just imagine, you know, back in the 18th century, the last quarter of it, you know, when the Japanese were invading here, you know, all the Taiwanese were here protecting this city. So you could just imagine, like, the carnage. You know, I've looked up a bit of the history, but it does seem a bit vague in some areas. But yeah, so certainly look that up yourself if you are interested in, because sometimes I do get things wrong when it comes to history. But as you know, don't believe everything you read on the internet. But it is such a beautiful sight. Like, it is 7 in the morning. I thought I'd come and seize the day and do some exercise. I did film the other day out here, but we are in windy season, as I've repeatedly said. But we are in the south of Taiwan. But such a beautiful structure, as I said, has been rebuilt. And that looks like there would have been a door there. But they do refer this to as gates and also the wall. But I call it the Great Wall of Taiwan, because it is quite great. You may not think it's great, but I think it's great. But absolutely beautiful. And there are lights there that do light up the whole section as well at night. And we'll go and film over in that section as well. So I'm not too sure how many films we'll get out of this, but this is part 5. And hopefully I've got that correct. And if I've got that wrong, my apologies. But it is such a beautiful walk. You know, like, you could walk up here during the morning and then backtrack and come through here. So you could really keep fit. I've already come across a whole bunch of walkers this morning, and they've all said hello, good morning. You know, as I said, like, they are quite friendly here, but also reserved. You know, I spent some time in Indonesia before coming here, and it does wear on you quite a lot when you're harassed. But that's how they make their money there in Indonesia. But enough of that. So I walked up there, as you would have seen in the last series, and there was no staircase there for me, so I had to backtrack, which is good for my health. I can exercise. So what we'll do, I'll check the time and we'll go on to this section, but I might waffle on for a little bit and see how we go. But because we are only 5 minutes in, I think. I do need some reading glasses. I've got fantastic vision, long vision, but the short vision's a bit to be desired. So that is 3 minutes and 43, my apologies. So we might be able to continue this, actually. Why not? And then we'll make another section depending on what I see. So I do have to be careful. Now, there is an interesting way. So they usually do stop for you. But this is the south of Taiwan, so you have to keep your wits about you. So I'll let this bloke go and then I'll walk. But in the north, yeah, if you do cross, they will stop. But they do stop out here as well. Now that's good. I can see a step there, so I'll be able to get up there. So we'll just have a bit of a look around here. So really beautiful structure. I haven't put the flash on. So there is some wood there. I don't know if that's original or something that they've redone. But you can see the original brick and you can see some new brick, and they have done a really good job of using the same style of brick. So I dare say that the original is here with the new brick as well. So the people who have done work on this, they've done a fantastic job, well, I think. And there's some beautiful views of the mountains there. So certainly come back and watch part 6, I'm led to believe. But there's some army cannons there. They have been doing exercises over the last couple of days because choppers have been in the air and loud noises have been going on, so probably in preparation for something. But such a beautiful, beautiful view. You know, I really like this type of content that I'm bringing. I do a mixture of tattoos, street food, riding around Asia. I do a mixture of stuff. I don't just do one thing. So I get new subscribers, I lose subscribers, I get new ones. You know, I started off YouTube just making shorts, and my original plan for YouTube was to do interviews with tattoo artists, but I came to the conclusion the places I travel, English is not the first language, so that was a bit of an obstacle. So I just bought a GoPro and stuck it on a bike and just cruised around while I was living in Thailand. So we're mixing it up, we're doing whatever I like, and I hope you like it. Some things may not be your cup of tea, what I film, but certainly hit the likes, and that will make me happy. This is just a hobby for me in my retirement, and it's just to keep the mind and the body active. So I do appreciate those that do stick with me and do enjoy the content that I do deliver. We are pushing on with the positive message as well. So what we'll do, we'll wrap this section up. So please join me for part 6 of the Great Wall of Taiwan. And hit the likes and subscribe if you haven't already. And be the best version of yourself. Uru for now.